Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep PH. I'm Eric, your prep partner for nursing licensure exam. Today pag-uusapan natin ang isang common question tungkol sa emergency care for a child with respiratory distress. Tingnan natin ang tanong. A 3-year-old child presents to the emergency department with high fever, cough, and difficulty breathing. The mother states that the symptoms started 2 days ago and have progressively worsened. On auscultation, you hear wheezing throughout the lung fields. The child appears restless and is using accessory muscles to breathe. What should be the nurse's immediate priority in managing this child? Ito ang mga options. A. Administer an inhaled bronchodilator. B. Perform a throat culture to identify the causative organism. C. Prepare for immediate intubation. D. Educate the mother on the importance of flu vaccination. Again, kapag humaharap tayo sa ganitong tanong, mahalaga na intindihin natin ang bawat option na gagamitin at yung ating kaalaman sa emergency care at respiratory management. Let's analyze each option. Una, let's consider option A. Administer an inhaled bronchodilator. Ito ay makatutulong na mag-relax ng bronchial muscles at mag-improve ng airflow. Since naririnig natin ang wheezing, ibig sabihin ay may bronchoconstriction. Administering an inhaled bronchodilator can provide immediate relief and improve breathing. Kaya this option is highly appropriate. So option A is a strong candidate for the correct answer dahil sa kanyang immediate effect sa breathing. Next, let's analyze option B. Ang throat culture ay mahalaga upang matukoy ang causative organism ng infection. However, hindi ito ang immediate priority sa emergency situation na ito. The immediate goal is to stabilize the child's breathing, not to identify the organism. So this option is not the best immediate action. Kaya option B is not the best choice for immediate priority. Ngayon, option C, ang intubation ay isang invasive procedure na ginagamit kapag ang patient ay hindi na makahinga ng maayos sa kanyang sarili. Although the child is in respiratory distress, hindi pa naman siya in severe respiratory failure. We should try less invasive measures first, like administering a bronchodilator bago mag-resort sa intubation. Therefore, option C is not the immediate priority unless the less invasive measure fail. Panghuli, option D, educating the mother tungkol sa importance ng flu vaccination ay mahalaga pero hindi ito ang immediate priority sa ngayon. Kailangan mo nang i-stabilize ang condition ng bata bago tayo magbigay ng health education. Kaya ang option D ay mali rin. So pagkatapos nating suriin ang lahat ng options, ang tamang sagot, ang best answer ay A. Administer an inhaled bronchodilator. This action provides immediate relief and addresses the urgent need to improve the child's breathing. Tandaan, kapag humaharap sa ganitong klaseng tanong, mahalaga ang paggamit ng critical thinking sa bawat practice at alamin kung ano ang pinaka-epektibong aksyon para sa pangangalaga sa pasyente. Ang pag-unawa sa rasyonale o dahilan ng bawat procedure ay makakatulong sa iyo na piliin ang tamang sagot. Thank you for watching. Kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share at subscribe sa aming channel para mas marami pang nursing exam tips. Kita-kits sa susunod na video.